at the top of Mount Talamitam here in Nasugbu, Batangas. It's August 26, 2013 today. There is a low pressure area somewhere in Verac, Catanduanes, and it's raining today. I cannot see anything. The scenery is filled with clouds, lots of it. Now there are 4 mountains in Batangas. You have Pico del Oro, you have Mount Talamitam, you have Mount Patulao, and you have Mount Bacolod. Well, they say this mountain is the easiest and the most difficult is Pico del Oro. Now, how do you go to this place? You have 2 options. You can either start from Pasay or Manila, ride the bus going to Nasugbu. The bus ride is almost good for 2 hours. Or you can start from Calamba. In Calamba, you go to SM Calamba. You're going to ride the van. The van ride is good for 1 hour. Then you're going to reach Tagaytay, particularly in Olivares. Then you're going to ride a jeep or a bus. The bus ride is good for 30 to 45 minutes, depending on the traffic. Then you're going to alight at Barangay Aga or kilometer 83. It's near the school. You're going to register. The registration is good for 20 pesos. Then you're going to start your trek. Minimum of 1.5 hours. But today it took me 2 hours because it's slippery, it's muddy, and it's raining. You had to stop several times. I'm not getting any younger for this. And reaching the spot, it's freezing cold here because of the weather. Now this is the monument or the symbol at the top of Mount Talamitam here in Nasugbu, Batangas. If you love trekking, if you love climbing mountains, I suggest you try to do this. This is only a day trip or a day hike. Again, Mount Talamitam in Nasugbu, Batangas. It's more fun in the Philippines. It's more fun here at Mount Talamitam. Bye guys!